My name is Nikki Stewart, and I'm the Executive Director of Old North Illuminated. And I am very happy to share the news that after a 9-month restoration project, the historic crypt beneath Old North Church is now open to visitors. One of the major components of the restoration project, which has been managed in partnership with the National Park Service, was to repoint much of the brick that folks will see when they visit the crypt. Over time, with temperature shifts, the mortar can expand and contract and it starts to crumble. And it's very problematic for the preservation of the brickwork. And so when you visit us now, you'll see that everything has been repointed and is in good order. Folks who visit the crypt this fall will see that in some instances, temporary doors are still in place. But fear not, the original wooden doors are just off-site being restored, and they will come back to us by the end of the year. Now, restoring the wooden doors did give archaeologists a unique opportunity to see inside many of the individual tombs that are here in the crypt. Old North's crypts were built starting in 1732. We eventually expanded to have 37 tombs underneath the church, and they contain about 1,100 burials. And so having a rare peek inside the tombs was a wonderful opportunity for archaeologists to see what's still in there, what can we learn from that, what can we learn about how best to preserve the space, and the archaeologists will be presenting their findings in a webinar later this fall. So one of the archaeological discoveries that happened during the project was the discovery of this piece of tombstone right here. We do not know exactly who this stone belonged to or how it came to be in the dirt underneath the tomb structures, but we were happy to recover it and to start to solve that mystery. So now that the crypt is open, I hope that all of you will come visit us this fall. We are doing several tours a day. You can get tickets in advance on the website. It's a $10 ticket, and it does include general admission to the church. I highly recommend that you get it in advance so that you get a spot on the tour of your choice. And when you're on the tour, you will learn about Puritan versus Anglican burial practices. You'll learn about some of the more famous occupants of the tombs, like Major John Pitcairn right here. And you'll also learn about some of the new archaeological discoveries that have happened over the last few months. So we hope to see you soon.